Buju, wago shindagu, migizi and dodem, gazagasquaji mekog, hindunjaba. My name is Anton Treuer. My native name is Wagush, which means fox. I come from the Eagle clan, and I'm from Leech Lake. Black Lives Matter. I believe this, but I think putting those three words together has often been widely misunderstood here in America and around the world. Sometimes people hear words that are not there. Black Lives Matter does not say only Black Lives Matter. It does not say Black Lives Matter more. It just says that Black Lives Matter. And you know what? They do. If you truly believe that all lives matter, it shouldn't be irksome or painful or frustrating to hear anyone say that Black lives matter. If you believe all lives matter, the Black ones matter too. The problem is that throughout most of American history, Black lives have not mattered and have not mattered nearly as much as other lives. So we need a little reminder. Black lives matter. And the effort to stifle the expression of those words is really off base and serves to muffle and stifle and suppress the pain that Black people feel about the undervaluing of their lives. If your house caught on fire and you called the fire department and said, "Help, my house is on fire," you wouldn't expect to have the response be, "Don't tell me that your house matters. All houses matter." But this one is on fire. Are you going to answer that call? Thanks for watching today. I'm Anton Treuer. Let's keep in touch. I'm active on social media, and my website has lots of information on my books, speaking engagements, free Ojibwe language resources, resources for teachers, and more. Miigwech.